I invite you to just look at the M as a breathing sound and as a moving sound. And just take a little bit of time to arrive at yourself and notice this is M. Do you notice the countercurrent moving forward? And this moment when you turn your hands normally and then let go. Do you notice this is M? Do you notice the countercurrent streaming up? One more time. I take a little bit of time to arrive at myself. Joy. And the M is the basic principle of the countercurrents. No M without countercurrents. So when you have become bigger, you know I've been doing M. When you have not become bigger, you know I practiced streaming downwards, which is also fine. Yeah, it's just a little bit of looking at the countercurrent and you have got the M. We did this M coming in with bending the knees, with counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And counting to 8 with coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this slowliness helps me to round this movement off. I let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to finish, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you do the M within. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the nice thing with Eurythmy is you can always correct things. So when you are like me a little bit too early up, let's say with 6, then you can still grow 7 and grow more 8. Yeah? There are endless possibilities go on. The physical limitation is not a true limitation. You just continue growing and it's perfect. It's just about noticing it. When we do the M, this in opposite direction, how do we do it with the feet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just let go. For me, this doesn't feel well. What I suggest is we also do just 4. Yeah, so we come to it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. And do not go down with 8, but come up again. But what you can feel, just do it just bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, you go down. But when you come up, the principle of M is countercurrent. It can still go down. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Yeah? So, despite of we change direction in between, we have still a continuous flow, an 8-step flow downwards. Just let's try. It's too complicated to explain. Doing is much easier. just try to feel it's still continuing downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4. I arrived in my feet. How nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in my knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've arrived in my feet. And breathe. And when we now do the M freely, just forget about bending the legs and counting. Just notice. It's just a preparation of noticing what's happening anyway. So just do the M and have the feeling it streams through your legs. If they want to go along with it, allow it. If they just want to stand how they are and just feel it, that's fine. And just notice this movement creates streams and countercurrents all through your body. And try to sense a sort of breathing within. But maybe there's also a quality of breath around you. Just have the feeling you stand within breath. And let go. Return to yourself. And breathe. Just how do you stand now? How does it feel like now? And now I invite you to just stand in a way that you can make 3-4 steps forward. And now we look into the M as a quality which can move things. And you just stand on your both feet and you put your weight forward a little bit and try to have both soles on the ground. And then you come back again and again you have both soles on the ground. That you just go forward and backwards a little bit. And what we do now is that we have both arms next to our hips or our thighs. And as if we could push water forward, this moves the body a little bit forward. And then we turn the hands and this starts moving the body backwards. And we try to develop a sort of fantasy that what the hands are doing is somehow bring the body forward. The hands are arousing a flow, and the flow is creating the taking along of the legs. And if you don't feel much, just allow yourself to not feel much. Just try. Can I feel something? And relax. And in this exercise, you must be a little bit careful that because you want to achieve something down there, you put a lot of weight here. Wow, I must go down. And don't forget, we are dealing with the M, and there must be a sort of uplifting countercurrent within our body. And now, let's do it again, but maybe even the streaming of the hands even moves the leg along on the forward step. So the hands are behind, they come forward. When does it feel that the legs want to go along with it? Yes. And when they come back, it only brings you back to the foot, the back foot, but without step. Then the arms turn. And just try to feel the stream. And when do the legs want to come along with it? Great. But I have to return. And when does the stream want to bring me back? And do not look for the physical swing, but it's the stream. You create a stream and now it starts pulling. And now I release the stream. And now it comes back. And now it starts pushing. And now it brings me back. I let go with my shoulders, a relaxed movement. I dive in, I look for a stream. When do my legs want to come along with the stream? Yes. And then the hands come back. When does the stream want me to bring me back on my back foot? And relax. Breathe. And maybe do one streaming upwards to counterbalance all our concentration we had downwards. Yeah. Wow, so nice. We are so big. And just let go, receive, and stay tall again. And grow tall, and taller, and taller. And breathe. Relax. And carefully sit down. How do you feel your arms now? How do you experience the light around you? And try to remember it. That other opportunities when you do L, and then look through your eyes, how you experience the space around you then. But how is it now?